Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you can believe it, this small recessed light can make your rooms go from this to this. The lighting that these lights from Allsmartlife provide are going to brighten up every room in your home. Not only will you love how great these lights look, your handyman or electrician will also love how easy it is to install them. This comes with a 12 pack of 6-inch recessed lights. You can see they're completely canless and they're super thin. It has everything that you need in the box. X marks the spot. All you have to do is mark where you want them around your home, and then a handy drill tool to set up the circles so that you can install the lights. All of the wiring and the components are in there. You just need a long wire to hook up to your hardwired electricity. They're low wattage, and they also have 5 different lighting options. We opted for the 3500K. It's easy to switch it around, and you can see that they're super thin and light and easy to mount up to your ceiling. They look really flush and beautiful. The lighting is so bright. It really provides so much extra lighting for our dim areas of our home, including our kitchen. We're loving how easy it was to install these lights. So if you're looking for a super quick, easy to do home update, all you need is a pack of these wonderful recessed lights. They will quickly make your home go from this to this in no time. And that's my point of view.